Hey everyone! Welcome back to my fashion studies series. In today's class, we'll learn about the second element of design, shape.
Shapes are everywhere in fashion, from the silhouette of a gown to the cut of a sleeve. Let's see how shape gives structure, identity, and beauty to every outfit. What is shape? Shape means the outline or form of an object. Basically, what it looks like from outside. In fashion, shape is created by lines, and it defines how a garment appears on the body. Every outfit you see, fitted, loose, flared, or straight, has a different shape. Importance of shape in fashion. Shape is very important because it decides the overall look and feel of a garment. It helps a designer show mood, like elegant, bold, or romantic, and also affects how flattering the outfit looks on a body type. Types of shapes. There are mainly 3 types of shapes used in fashion design: geometric, natural, and abstract. Let's look at them one by one. 1. Geometric shapes. These are made from straight or perfectly curved lines, like squares, circles, rectangles, or triangles. They look neat, structured, and modern. Designers use geometric shapes for strong, bold outfits. 2. Natural shapes. Natural shapes are inspired by nature, soft, flowing, and irregular. They follow the curves of the human body and look more realistic and graceful. 3. Abstract shapes. Abstract shapes don't look like real objects. They're creative and imaginative, used in modern, experimental, or artistic designs. You'll see them in prints, asymmetrical outfits, or fashion shows. Shapes and silhouettes. In fashion, the word silhouette means the outer shape of a garment, the way it falls or fits on the body. There are many types of silhouettes, like A-line, H-line, Y-line, and X-line. Each gives a different effect. For example, an A-line dress gives a balanced, graceful look, while an H-line dress looks simple and structured. How shape affects. Style shapes can totally change the personality of an outfit. Soft round shapes look friendly and gentle, while sharp angular shapes look bold and powerful. Stylists use shapes to match mood, like romantic, sporty, or edgy looks. Body illusion and shapes also help balance the body's proportions. A-line skirts can hide wide hips, while structured shoulders can balance a pear-shaped body. That's why knowing shapes helps you pick the right outfit for every body type. Design harmony. In every outfit, the designer combines many shapes, sleeves, collars, and hemlines, to create harmony. When all shapes work well together, the design looks complete and balanced.
So, that's all about shape, the second element of design. Shape gives identity, style, and balance to fashion. Next, we'll move to our third element, color. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the next class.